Hubl already collects the basics during registration: name, allergies, grade, date of birth. But every church has unique questions. Custom Fields lets you ask anything. You've got two categories: per family fields and per volunteer fields. Click Add Field. Choose a type. We support nearly all standard web options, including signatures. Give it a label, add your options, set whether it's required, and save. You can drag fields to reorder them. Families will see them in the order you set. You can even specify questions for individual children. This will personalize the question for each child. In the next video, join us as we learn about managing registrations.